Good afternoon folks, welcome back to the vlog. Today is now Wednesday. If you hadn't seen the last vlog from yesterday videos, now in previous videos, I know I did say I wasn't going to do a vlog today, lights just came on, but I just decided to do a vlog anyway. So in this vlog you will see me going around IKEA because I took a trip to IKEA today. So I just got some footage. Then you saw my lunch, which I had fish and chips. Then you see me back here. I went to the job. I had a hot chocolate. And I'm starting next Wednesday, 10:30 to 2:30. So I'm working 4 hours, which is not too bad. So I'll be cleaning tables and stacking the coke thing, like putting cokes away in the coke thing and all, so that'd be good. So yeah, so bit nervous and looking forward to it. So that's 10:30 to 2:30 every Wednesday from next week. So hope you enjoy the footage from IKEA. Might be going to football tonight, need to see, because my dad's at a meeting at 3:15. Don't know what time he gets home at. So yeah, hopefully he's home before 6:15. If not, I won't be going tonight. So I will let you know, but you will see me trying to football if I am going to football. If not, you just see me here as normal. So let's get this Wesley vlog started. Time is now just coming up to 10 to 3. Just got home about 25 minutes ago. Met the guy who'd be helping me in the cafe. He's a very kind man and he was very nice. So hope you enjoy the footage of IKEA, and I will check in with you later on. So let's get the spicy vlog started. Midway already, hard to believe. So nearly the weekend once again. Where's this week going? And it's 49 days to Christmas too, like 5 weeks to Christmas. Hard to believe, crazy times. So let's get this spicy vlog started.
With clouds of holly, fa la 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 la. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings. Oh Christmas tree, above the trees most lovely.
I need you, oh God, don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God, don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Oh, oh, oh.
were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary?
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
When things are right, and you just know there is something in your eyes that brings me home. 'Cause when there's love, you don't let go. So as long as you're with me, you're not alone, you'll never be. I wanna tell you what I feel and really mean it. I wanna shout it from the rooftops to the sky. 'Cause if you ever need a friend, you know I'll be it. From tonight until we see the end of time, I'll cross my heart and hope to die with. Always and forever, I'll be by your side. When days are dark and stars don't rhyme with. Always and forever to the end of time. Footprints next to mine along the road. And I don't know what the future holds, but as long as you're with me, you're not alone, you'll never be. I wanna tell you what I feel and really mean it. I wanna shout it from the rooftops to the sky. 'Cause if you ever need a friend, you know I'll be it. From tonight until we see the end of time, I'll cross my heart and hope to die with. Always and forever, I'll be by your side. When days are dark and stars don't rhyme with. Always and forever to the end of time.
that's gonna end this vlog from today now. So if you like this vlog from today, which I went to IKEA and more, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Time is now 10:30, going to bed now because of tech in the morning. Plans for tomorrow are tech, then come home, then get dinner, then that's it. So tomorrow's Thursday, 2 more days to the weekend, happy days. So I will do all the vlog in the morning, I will get this vlog up in the morning bright and early. So till tomorrow bright and early for all the day of tech, just typical. Thanks for watching.